how to configure models and thinking levels in ChatGPT. So hey guys, welcome to this quick and short tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you how you can adjust or configure the models and thinking levels in the new ChatGPT. So with the recent updates, you can easily control the or select the models that you wish to use along with the thinking level, which is instant and extended. So let me show you how to do this. So once you start a new chat in chatgpt.com, you have this option right here using which you can switch the model or also press the Control Shift or M keys to access this. Simply click onto this instant option, and from here you can either choose the instant option or the thinking extended option as well. Apart from that, you also have this configure option. If you click onto this thinking extended option, it will extend the thinking, and if you wish to further customize it, you can click onto this option, and from here in the thinking as well, you have standard and extended thinking as well. Now apart from that, we also have this configure option which you can use, and from here you can change the model, which includes O3 to 5.2 all the way to 5.5, and then from here this is the thinking model again. If you are a pro member, you also have this option of pro as well, and as for the thinking effort, I have selected it to extend it for maximum performance. So that's how easily you can change between the models and thinking level. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.